Hello, it's Kia for sure here, and I have servers, yes, and I will play this one. Nope, I can't play on servers. Well, that completely ruined my plan. Then, it's Wolf Bloom City. Yep. I just realized that I spelled bloom wrong and that it's 2 O's and not 1. But I will fix that eventually. Oh, shoot. I'm in a little bit of a pickle. Cave. Okay, so I'm just gonna, climb up here. See what I can find. I can find a animal I can kill so I can get myself some food. Okay, I can't get up. It's weird. I shall find some food. I had some food. I'll have to. I'd rather not starve to death. I'd rather get food poisoning than that. But I'm good. Nope, I completely missed. Yay! Okay, I did it. Now we just gotta find where he lived. Where I spawned. So, I had to have spawned close to here. I had to have. Okay. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna kind of, I didn't really have much that was really important, so I will just go ahead. I had a little bit of coal, but coal's not gonna do anything for me this moment. I could go down. Oh well, hopefully. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta make a pickaxe. Crafting table. More wood. And just so I'm safe, I do not know how to spread this. Oh, that's how you spell it. Okay, I'm sorry. I will fix this. Okay, I am back. It's not nighttime, is it? Oh shoot. Okay, this is the only time I'll make exceptions to cheating. Okay. Activate cheats. You always stay. Just so I'm safe. I'm not ready to die. Budge. I need more wood. Okay, so I'll have to make. Wait. No, don't need anything. which can't make an iron pickaxe. And I don't need an iron pickaxe. I just need a stone pickaxe. So I will have you know what? I'm also going to put this on easy mode. Peaceful. Yes. Just because peaceful, there's no monsters. And for starting, I don't want any monsters, so probably should have done that first. You know what? It's fine. But okay, so since I'm filling myself up with coal, which is a very good thing because coal sometimes is a pain in the butt to find. Especially at the beginning. It's almost as hard as finding iron. In fact, I found iron before I found coal. So, I've only had one episode of Wolf Bloom City, I believe. And since I only have one episode, I'm gonna get that down. It's peaceful, so I can't be scared. I shouldn't be scared anyways. Please tell me there's some iron here. Nope. Nope iron. Iron is not here. Iron. No, I hate it when I can't find iron because like it's the one thing I need at that one time. And it's not there. I'm gonna just kind of take my way up. Up. Now, okay. Almost fell off the edge there. Whew, pig. Okay, I'm gonna need you. Sorry. I lost the pig. I lost it. I gotta go get the tree. Cut this tree out of my way. Okay. Now I need more wood, so like desperately need more wood. Just gonna kind of do that, and I'm gonna want some dark wood too. And I think I will live right around here. Hopefully I can get a villager. Can you lead a villager? I don't know. Maybe. That should be a that should be like a new feature if you can't. If you can, then okay. Cool. I think I will make it here. I have enough. Shoot, my bed's there. Nope, never mind. It's not. Okay. Okay, just got all my wood. I think I'll just stay right here. I could make a big farm here too. But with my house, I'm just gonna go for small. So go 1, 2, 3, And this will be the door to my other part of the room. But this will be just my little place of, like, where I have some of my things. But I think, actually, I will make it a little bit bigger because who knows how big you'll need it. I'm just gonna make it out of this. 2 KKK. That's as big as I'll make it. And then I think I'll make my door right here. So place that right there. My room, which I will just have chest and my bed. So that will be the easiest part. Oh, okay, so now I have this, so I will put that there. I will make some chests. I don't know how do you make it, okay. You need 8. I know that. But. I should have chests open. All. Okay. Oh. I know why. I need to put it down first. There we go. And then go on to it. Craftable. Want my chest. 1, 2. I think that's all I can make. And make this. Also make this. White bed. Also gonna make this. Gonna make this. So I got the other thing, and now the only other thing, nope. I think I got everything. So, oh no, now it's raining. Well, I could be wet. And this, I will put all my food in. And so, what do I have for wood? When I have wood, I have like no wood. Okay. No, I'm gonna just put my chest. My bed will be like right here. I'll have like 2 beds. And then I'll have my 2 chests right there. And in my 2 chests, I'm gonna put a lot of things in here. Like this stuff. If I find I need that stuff at all. So I'm just gonna gently just go. Okay, I have way too many stuff. I think I did it too much. Okay. Yeah. Just gonna press everything. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. No. Okay. For coal, I will save. Okay. I'll keep this out. Keep that out. And then I will take this with me, this with me. That's all I need. And so I will go to here, put this in, put this in. Okay, so time to go. So I'm gonna use this wooden axe up first, and I will be back once I have a little bit of wood. Okay, so I'm good, but I'm not good at the same time. I'll go all the way back there, but I'm just gonna do the weather cycle clear because okay, let's try this again. Weather clear. There we go. So now I can actually see. Because rain will never stop unless you go to sleep. It's like what it is. But like you don't actually, it's not like that actually. It's just me, I don't know, but like you say things but you don't mean it. Hyperbole. That's extreme exaggeration. So I guess so. I've been in school too much, and oh my god, I thought I saw an eye, but nope, it's a dandelion. I am almost done. I almost got all of it done. My god, so cute. I will make this dog mine. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, I need to put some of this. No, where's the dog? Where's the dog? Go, doggo. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Don't. I killed the doggo. Alright, they can't get mad because it's peaceful, so I feel so bad. I can't believe I did that. No. I feel so bad. Why am I such a horrible person? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And then this, I'll go like boop, boop, boop. And that's only because, but this is only going to be the small part of it. I will also have a bottom floor. Yes. Now's the time where I need my dirt. Okay, dirt. You're gonna come to use. And I'm gonna need that back. Okay, got it back. Now that I got it back, I'm gonna just basically put that. Got the flour. Oops. Wrong one. Okay. I probably needed to put that there anyways. And here I go again. This will only be where I go down and I will make my little mining station. I will make my mining station my Yep, so I will just have a mining station. Oh god, I was almost trapped there. I'm just gonna, Okay, so I think I have what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna need a whole lot more wood. So, see you right back. So, I realized that I could just do this. Yeah. A lot easier. And I think a lot cheaper too. I might even be able to make a watchout tower down here, and I can shoot enemies. Oh my god, it's raining. It's always raining. I forgot to put down that bed. Only sleep at night. I love how it says you can only sleep at night, but like, and then you're allowed to also sleep during thunderstorms. And guess what? I only need 3 doors. Perfect. Okay. And if I never ever need to go into cover, where I go? And it won't matter. Although I think I'll do this. Yep. Fine. Although I like this part though. I think it's nice. You could just stand up. No, you can't stand up, but like, just jump over. Bye. I can't close the door. Okay. Can't also do anything either. Okay. I'm gonna pick this up. What I think I'm gonna do is that I will end this video right here, but and then next video, well, okay, so before my next video, I will gather a whole bunch of cobblestone, and I will let you guys, I will build a farm. My farm will be out there. way gigantic. So I'll need a lot of cobblestone. So see you later. And bye bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next episode or video. Bye.